This is a brief description as to how to use the ecosystem pages for those that have the power to do so. When you're granted a badge, you will basically find yourself with simply a name and a logo, which you can change. The edit function here allows you to change the name, change the description, location. You will see that it also has recommended groups here. And these recommended groups are ones that if you share the link to the ecosystem, these recommended groups will come up as part of the onboarding process. So as well as being asked to follow your ecosystem, the people you invite on board will be invited or recommended to join these suggested groups as well. And you can change everything here, upload photo, everything like that. The other thing that you have, so copy link allows you, so you can copy that link into anywhere, and anybody following that link will be taken to this ecosystem, into this ecosystem format. What else you've got is you've got an ability to create a showcase. So this showcase is, so in every showcase, all the events of people who are part of the ecosystem come through the event side, and you don't need to add that in any way. That comes through automatically. However, you can add groups, posts, blogs to the showcase, and you can change these whenever you want to change them. The way to go about that is simple. If I'm going to look at it on the discovery page, and I can see, for example, Harris Tweed Support Group. If I click on that group, go through to that, I can then add them to the Impact Symposium showcase. So if I do that, that then means that this group there'll be a tile to reflect that in that group. So that's the showcase. And then if you're on mobile, what happens is this showcase is the first thing that comes up as you scroll down. As you scroll down from the ecosystem. Elsewhere, what we have within the ecosystem is we have groups. So these are groups which you have invited to join the ecosystem. When I say join, you'll see that in this case, we're dealing with the Impact Symposium ecosystem. You'll see that each of them has a little badge, a little marker. And how I've gone about that is you basically offer the invitation to a group to join it, to join you. If I go back into Discovery and look at a group, for example, that's not on our ecosystem. So here's one here. Let's use Old Edinburgh Historical Survey. So I look at that. I have now got the power. If I click on here, I have now got the power to offer them the badge to join the Impact Symposium. So it's just checking. Do I want to give them the badge? If I give that to them, send them the badge, and they accept that, they will become part of your ecosystem. Okay. So that's been sent to them, and they will respond if they want to join your ecosystem. And you can do that to groups, or you can do it to people as well if you want them as well. Elsewhere within the ecosystem, we've got the combined aggregated activity of what's going on. So that's all the posts that have been there within these groups. Within the so we've got that as well. We've got events, and then we've got stats, which we'll be building out over the next month or so, building out the stat activity to help understand what's going on within your group. And I hope that gives you enough to get started. Thanks.